Itu ojia ketua ne to account ni mu wia no aka kire nipa nse ntua ne kada. Ne nipa na noa anwa move the free ni fi aba no de abesi sura ha no ahwe. Na ketua da ne bayi. Until next time say Juma or some infamous sorry about. Yeah. This is why you see people working with Muslims and working with recreationists and not working with idol worshippers and all that kind of thing, because they realize and you may be no more. There are many things that are sorry for Muslims will not do. Muslims will never segregate. Yeah, apostolic, yeah, presby for yeah, one for Roman. What is that? And Gramo in Chichemu Bebre Umu. Yeah. Ahmadiyya for all the Muslim, the Orthodox Muslims, Lankasa or Shiite Muslims, Sunni Muslims. Now, what is Omokasa? Ahanya Sunni for sorry Diana, Ahanya Shia for Masalachi. What to be that? Dear be on more woman, yeah, Masore, Papa, because Asoreba will pitch two pastors to become enemies. Asoreba will make two men of God to become enemies. Asoreba and Payas Adian. It would have fun say, Oba Alabasta, but Alabasta back online on share that. Or share, assemblies of God for the assemblies of God for, and then will create some kind of seeds of enmity. Yet the entire ninchi mubia, but Asoreba nebema say assemblies of the Ameteneswa Masori Yoshe, assemblies of the Mabokashi Namdeneswa. That is what they did to Saul and David. David was just fighting for his nation to the glory of God. But Asoreba will create a song right now. Saul killed only 1,000, but David, David, and the Bunyi, have killed 10,000. Now may ye Boktamburin no Mosa. They have pitched two leaders to become enemies. Asoreba will be worried to say you would end in a year worry about it. Asoreba beti me a fan a year in a way now and a night and an island tabbing in a chia nominated. Asoreba beti me a Kasama, you want Kasa, you will lose yourself. Ubebi sasa na why no more kind of was ube call my main jago bisasa mami alantana. Asoreba bes.